Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the time expressions in English. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to start speaking English today. Let's give it a try. At. We use at when talking about the time of the day or at night. I get up at 6. I get up at 7. I get up at 8. Or I get home late at night. In the. We use in the for parts of the day except for at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. On. We use on for days of the week, or on weekdays, weeknights, and weekends. On Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Fridays, on weekdays, on weeknights, on weekends. Now let's practice some of these combined sentences together. I get up at 6 in the morning on weekdays. I go to bed around 10 in the evening on weeknights. I leave work early in the afternoon on weekends. I get home late at night on Fridays. I stay up until midnight on Saturdays. I exercise before noon on Sundays. I wake up after noon on Sundays. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos on English pronunciation every week. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.